If this was the last song we ever sing, me would want it to be honest. Me would want it to be true. Or me would want it to reach you. I've walked this road till the night felt long, carried the weight in every song, held my fire through the storm and rain. I'ma dance with joy, I'ma cry with pain. I'ma seen the faces in the crowd, some silent, some singing loud. And if tonight my voice grows thin, I'll give it all before me end. To the ones who stayed when the light was low, to the ones who left but helped me grow, to every soul my story find, through the cracks in the heart and the corners of mine. This life a fleeting, fragile thing, and every verse got a bird to wing. So if my time down to this line, I want you to know you were worth the ride. No song can hold the whole of me, but me hope you felt the melody of a man who tried to stand for truth in the ashes of me own youth. And if tomorrow my voice is gone, then let this echo just live on, 'cause in your hands my words will stay. Like seeds in the soil, they'll find their way. It's not about fame and not about name, it's the fire we keep through the wind and rain. It's the love we send when the night feels cold, it's the truth we tell when the story's old. This is the last song I'll sing. If my time should come, I'll let the rhythm carry me to the Zion song. This is the last song I'll sing, but my voice live on in the hearts of the ones who still sing along. When the lights go down and the crowd fade away, we still sing for you in the silence.